Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we discuss the next topic. Our topic is what is computer system? Discuss the component of computer system. Very important question in BSc computer science. So all of my student listen this question carefully. Ask me question if you have any query. Now let's start the question. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to accept data, process data, into useful information and store it for later use. A computer consists of hardware and software. The machine is also known as hardware, the program are called software. The processing of input to output is directed by the software but performed by the hardware. A computer system requires different computers to perform the function of input, processing, output, and storage. These component are as follow. As you can see diagram. Now we discuss the input devices.
बोल आवाज आती नहीं तेरी
Input device. The data that is given to the computer is called input. Input devices are used to input data and instruction into the computer. These devices send this data to the processing unit. Most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Processing device. The processor is used to process data. It is also called central processing unit CPU. It is the brain of computer. Consists of electronic circuit. CPU interrupt and execute program instruction. All computer must have a central processing unit. Main memory is used to store input data before processing. It is also stored processed data after processing until the system is sent to the output device. The main memory is closely connected to CPU, but it is separate from it. What is output device? The output process into useful information is called output. Output device are used to display the result of processing. The most common output device are monitor and printer. Storage device. The storage usually refer to secondary storage, the main memory storage, data and program temporary. The secondary storage device. Storage usually refer to secondary storage, the main memory stores data and program temporary. The secondary storage is required to store data, information and program. The secondary storage is required to store data, information and program permanently. The most common storage devices are floppy disk, hard disk, hard drive, CD-ROM, disk, etc. Briefly discuss the following. Okay, now we read twisted pair cable. Briefly discuss the following. The telephone line used to carry most of the voice and data communication consists of a pair of thin diameter inserted copper wire called twisted pair. This question is very important. The wires are twisted around each other to minimize interface. Now we move next page. From other twisted pair in the cable, the twisted pair have fewer bandwidth than coaxial cable or optical fiber. They have been the standard communication. They have been the standard communication channel for voice data and communication, but now it is used to reducing because today more reliable communication media are available such as coaxial cable, optical fiber, microwave and satellite. You can see the diagram. Now we move to the next topic, shield. Now we read communication satellite. In a general, a satellite is anything that orbits something else, as for example the moon orbit the earth. In a communication context, a satellite is a specialized wireless receiver transmitter that is launched by rocket and planned in orbit around the earth. There are hundreds of satellites currently in operation. They are used to such diverse purposes as weather forecasting, broadband or radio communication, internet communication, and global positioning system. Now we read the fiber optic, a technology that uses glass or plastic thread fibers and to transmit a fiber optical cable consists of a bundle of glass threads, each of which is capable of transmitting message modulated onto light wave. Fiber optic cable have a much greater bandwidth than a metal cable. Infrared. What is infrared? Infrared radiation, or simply infrared or IR, is electromagnetic radiation (EMR) with longer wavelength than those of visible light, and is therefore invisible, although it is sometimes loosely called infrared light. Now we overview this topic, and what is the computer system we should overview, because we have short time, and we have completed this topic. Okay, make sure hit the bell icon. Okay, and meet you next video. Okay, bye.